When it comes to upgrading your home's windows, choosing the right company matters just as much as choosing the right products. For Lafayette homeowners, partnering with Windows of Lafayette brings unmatched advantages that go far beyond basic installation. Local expertise ensures personalized service, better product recommendations, and long-term performance tailored to Louisiana's warm, humid climate. Whether you're replacing outdated windows or upgrading for better efficiency, local professionals offer insights that national chains simply can't match. Here's why choosing Windows of Lafayette is one of the smartest decisions you can make for your home. Knowledge of Lafayette's climate and environmental challenges. Louisiana weather can be tough on windows. With high humidity, heavy rain, seasonal storms, and intense sunlight, windows must be built and installed to withstand these conditions. Windows of Lafayette understands the local environment and recommends products specifically designed for long-term durability. Local expertise ensures frames that resist moisture, warping, and rot, glass coatings ideal for blocking heat and UV rays, weather stripping and seals that prevent drafts and water intrusion, installation methods tailored to local building structures. This climate-specific approach helps protect your home from the unique challenges Lafayette weather brings year-round. Personalized service you simply won't find with big box providers. Large national window companies often use generic sales models, but Windows of Lafayette offers a customized experience based on your home's architecture, your personal style, and your long-term goals. Homeowners benefit from one-on-one consultations, detailed explanations of window options, honest recommendations that fit your budget, clear guidance through every step of the process. Local professionals build long-term relationships with customers, meaning your satisfaction, not volume sales, is their top priority. Faster response times and reliable customer support. When you choose a local window company, help is always close by. Whether you have a question about your warranty, need service after installation, or want advice on future upgrades, Windows of Lafayette provides timely, dependable support. Benefits include quick scheduling for consultations and installations, faster resolution of service requests, ongoing maintenance guidance, a team that's accessible and accountable. You're not calling a corporate hotline. You're speaking directly with professionals who live and work in your community. Expert installation that protects your home's efficiency. Proper installation is critical to getting the full performance benefits of new windows. Even the highest quality products won't perform well if they are installed incorrectly. Windows of Lafayette's trained technicians have extensive experience with Louisiana homes and know how to deliver airtight, precise installations every time. Their expert installation helps reduce drafts and air leaks, improve indoor comfort, prevent moisture-related issues, maximize energy efficiency. This ensures your windows perform at their best from day one and continue to save you money for years to come. High-quality windows selected for local homes. Windows of Lafayette works with trusted manufacturers and offers products built to withstand Louisiana's climate. Instead of pushing standard options, they provide windows specifically chosen for durability, insulation, and long-term value. You'll find energy-efficient windows that reduce cooling costs, impact-resistant options for storm protection, vinyl, fiberglass, and composite frames ideal for humid conditions, custom shapes and styles that elevate curb appeal. Their product knowledge ensures you choose windows that enhance both performance and beauty. Supporting local businesses strengthens your community. Choosing Windows of Lafayette means investing in the local economy. Local companies create jobs, support local families, and reinvest in the community, helping maintain Lafayette's vibrant, thriving spirit. Homeowners appreciate local accountability, a company that values its reputation, pride in supporting community businesses. It's a meaningful choice that benefits both your home and your hometown. A smarter, more confident window upgrade. Windows of Lafayette combines professional expertise, personalized service, and a deep understanding of Louisiana's climate to deliver window solutions that truly last. From improving comfort and energy efficiency to enhancing curb appeal, their local knowledge ensures you get the best results for your home. If you want a window company that understands your needs, your climate, and your community, Windows of Lafayette is the clear choice for dependable quality and exceptional service.